Hello, welcome back. In this session, we are going to look at how can we actually create a database and use the database as well as create a table in that particular database. So that is what we are going to be seeing in this session. So the first thing we're going to do is to use the command create database. So we're going to be using NgahTech Group, and we see that one query is created. So we show databases, and we enter. We see that there's a table, database that we created called NgahTech Group. So we, in this case now, are going to create. We are going to use the database, which is using NgahTech Group, and we enter. So it's database change. So if we say show databases again, and we enter, it's still going to show you, okay, it's still going to show you the same databases. But if we say show tables, for example, show tables, you see is empty because we are actually inside the NgahTech Group, okay. So when you ask to show databases again, it's still going to use the same statement. So what we're going to do is that we're going to say use database, use NgahTech Group again, and then we'll change that, and then we're going to create now a table inside the database. So create table. So our table name is going to be students. In bracket, we're going to give it some columns. Okay. The first thing we're going to have is the student name. Let's do S name. Okay. And we're going to give it a variable character of as a size of about 50. And then we have student stid. Yeah, let's make it simple, and then we'll give it also a varchar, okay, and a size of the id is what we can definitely make it as an integer. So if we can just say int, okay, and then we gave what we have course. So the course, we are going to give it also a varchar. Let's say varchar of 20. Let's say put 50, okay. And what are we going to have again? We have a name, we have the ID of the course, and then we have department. Then we'll give it a varchar of 52 as well. And then let's give it a department, and then we have lecturer. Give it also a varchar of 50. And then that is it. Let's see if it's going to work. Let's run it. So we have query okay, 0 affected, and that's what we say. Show tables now, and you see that table student is created. Now to select or see information inside the table, we're going to use select star from students, and we close it. We're going to see that nothing is there, okay. So in our next video, we're going to see how can we actually insert values into this our table called students. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on our next video. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. If you have any question, please comment on the section below, and we are going to get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you, and see you. Ciao.